Midlands Kaba convened a high-stakes meeting today at the Midlands Convention Center in Gweru. Despite President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent declaration that Zimbabwe will hold its next general elections in 2028, the Kaba appears to be doubling down on its original 2030 agenda, raising eyebrows across the political spectrum. Ndisanapinda mashoko anokwanzi vana mudhan'iwe panguva ino voita meeting awa muGweru panguva ino vachiuya vachisapota the 2030 plan. Kunyange mutungamiri wenyika akataura pachena akati aiwa, let us focus nema 2028 elections. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timira mnamubuda nyuka mchinzi. According to a reliable source embedded within the meeting, the couple is actively resisting Mnangagwa's 2028 roadmap, viewing it as a strategic retreat from their long-term ambitions. The gathering, attended by key provincial heavyweights, reportedly centered around two explosive resolutions. Number one, reinstating the 2030 agenda despite Mnangagwa's public pivot. The cabal insists that the 2030 vision remains viable, framing it as a people's mandate rather than a presidential win. Number two, ousting Vice President Chiwenga in a move that could ignite factional warfare. The cabal has resolved to push Chiwenga out of the vice presidency, citing irreconcilable differences and strategic misalignment. The power struggle between Mnangagwa loyalists and General Chiwenga's camp has been simmering for years, but today's development suggests a full-blown succession crisis may be imminent. Sources claim that General Chiwenga's recent confrontations with the Midlands Provincial Affairs Minister Onimoda Nyove have escalated, with General Chiwenga allegedly warning, "You are hunting for me. That will happen when the hunter becomes the hunted." This chilling remark, reportedly made in front of senior officials, underscores the depth of mistrust and stakes involved. Thomas Waruda Pangwa in Vision Cons Hour, General Chiwenga Bonzi, Waguda Kugurunurwa, Waguda Kubiswa, Iowa, position yabo ye vice president. Pangwa ina Vision Cons, Arku Conseresa, Kutivangwana Safara, Waruda Kumora, Vano Vanon Cons, Varangurivan vari self-serving. Varonya Skon Cons, Vanguda Jukuluta, but Mamasis. Achisafa achitamba empurutsa mafunguro eimoti kudi pamusoro pe this direct attack kuna General Chiwenga. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro eimoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.